Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got an awesome top 5 analog watch faces for you all to check out for the work week. All of these are going to be nice. Now, we're going to start off with number 1. Now, number 1 is like an A and a B because we got 2 of them that we want to show you. And these are free for the taking. Most of them will be. And if they're not, remember, we got more coming. But you must also remember to download ASAP. Cool? With that being said, let's kick off this. All right, you all. The first one is called Fire Colors Free 5 background. This one is nice. I like this dark background on this one. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the exact same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But once it's on, the colors pop. I like this nice black background. You're going to get your date, the day of the week up at the top. Down at the bottom, you will get your battery percentage. I like the premium looking analog hands along with the nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel or the watch as well. Now the numbers, I'm loving the font, straight traditional, and if I double tap, I can change the color theme of the watch face. Now you look at the background, that's another one, there's another one, and there's this one. This is not a bad look for everyday wear, or even if you're going out, if you could tie this into a nice color. So far as your gear is concerned, this one is a definite download. Let's check out watch face B. All right, you all, watch face B is called Full Color Free. Now this is going to have 3 colors instead of 5 like the first one, but yet it still looks exactly like number 1. In AOD mode, it looks like number 1. The only deal is it's going to be in the blue color. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Even when the watch face is on, you're going to get your date, your day of the week, your battery percentage down at the bottom. Same look so far as the analog hands and the second hand is concerned. Now your colors are going to look like this. This is number 1. Number 2, which is nice and bright. The videos are going to do it justice. And number 3. And that's going to be it. I thought this was worthy of a download, especially for the work week, right? Tie this into a nice outfit and you're all good. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Steel. I like this look. This is definitely a dress-up watch face, but you can dress down super casual with this one if you like. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same exact look. When the watch face is on, I like this elegant feel that I get from this watch face when I look at it. Not bad at all. You got a nice move. Second hand is cruising around the bezel of the watch. You got nice premium analog hands. And in the center, you're going to get your date. And over here, you're going to get your battery percentage. I thought it was a good look for an analog watch face, especially for the work week and for the weekend. What do you think? Watch face number 3 is Superballs. I like this one. Yes, it's just a traditional analog watch face that's geared toward fitness, right? But yet it looks awesome. Now, check this out. First off, the name of this watch face is called Step Circle by Inspire. Now, there's another one that's not free. This one is free. That one's going to say Stylish Step Circle. You don't want to download that one. You want to download Step Circle by Inspire. Cool? Don't mess up. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. First of all, I thought this was a Superballs watch face, especially considering that it is free for the taking. And on top of it, it is interactive. I thought this was truly a nice watch face to download. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice time so far as analog is concerned. And when the watch face is on, you get a traditional look, not bad. You get premium analog hands, a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Get your date at the top. You're going to get your battery percentage over to the left. And over to the right, you're going to get your heart rate information. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your steps. Now, I did pretty good so far as steps is concerned. Kudos to me. Right now, what's amazing about this watch face to me is that the watch face is interactive. And it's free, right? So let's tap on the date. You can pull up your calendar, set an event. You can tap on your battery, and you can also go into your settings. And if I tap over here, of course, I can go into my heart rate information, and right here on my steps, I can get my step status info. I thought that was super cool. You can't change the color theme of the watch face, which is cool. The watch face is free, but if it was, this would be totally off the charts. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Let's check out watch face number 4. Watch face number 4 is nice. This is going to be a daytime watch face, people, so consider that. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face, I'm going to butcher the name, so don't beat me up. It's called Simplicity, if I pronounce it right. 7 colors, right? It's a nice analog watch face. Has a premium look to it as well. So if you want to dress up in this in the daytime, then you can get away with it. No problem. You can dress down super casual if you want to. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a black theme mode. It's going to look awesome. Now, once the watch face is on, you get a nice black second hand that's taken around the bezel of the watch, and you get a couple of premium black hands as well. So far as your analog time is concerned, I thought it looked pretty nice. I like the color, I like the way it complements the black hands, and I like the look of the index, which says that this is a premium watch face. Now remember, it has 7 colors. Let's check the colors out. Double tap. Not bad, right? Not bad. This is a good look. What do you think? Will you download this one? Now don't forget, you get the day of the week at the top and your date, and you also get your battery percentage down at the bottom. This is not a bad deal. I think I got a nice lineup going on here. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. I don't mean to toot my own horn. Let me know if I do. All right, let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 5. Watch face number 5 is called Pretty Butterfly. This one here, for the most part, people, are for the ladies. Ladies, thank you for watching this all the way through. Thank you guys for hanging in there all the way up to this point. But if you like this watch face, by all means, download it. Again, the name of the watch face is called Pretty Butterfly. I like the look. I like the live wallpaper type of thing. Not bad at all for an analog watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, surprisingly, this thing is nice. It has a premium look to it so far as the analog watch face is concerned in this mode. Once the watch face is on, you got floating butterflies, you got nice flowers in the background, and you also get a nice color. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I double tap on the flower that's in the dead center, I can pull up my battery info, and you can also make a phone call. You can go into your steps. It is inactive. I can double tap here and pull up my step status info, and I can also make a phone call over here. Over here is messages. So you get everything you can want to need within the watch face. You can still keep up with your steps. But the question is, at the end of the day, ladies, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I got to get out of here. I got another video to do tonight. And with that, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.